Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to do a 5-minute makeup routine. That's right, you heard me correct. 5 minutes only. I don't know how this is going to work. I haven't practiced this yet, so hopefully I can make it. We will see. As you might have noticed, I have a little band-aid on my face. I had a very stubborn breakout that was literally there for like 2 weeks. I couldn't get rid of it. And so I finally extracted it, and it was unlike anything I've had on my face in my life. So I decided to just cover it with a band-aid so nobody had to look at it and it could just do its thing without me having to cover it up with makeup. Sometimes it is just best to put a band-aid on your face and keep going. I mean, it's not the best look, but a big red pimple is also not a good look either. So you win some, you lose some. There is no shame in the Band-Aid game, let me tell you. So I'm going to do this 5-minute makeup tutorial, and I feel like I am definitely cheating because I have lash extensions on, so that saves a little bit of time. Today marks my first day at Amazing Lash Studio in Buckhead, so if you are interested in lash extensions or lifts, please hit me up. I'd love to talk more about it. A few questions that people ask: do they damage your lashes? Lash extensions have the possibility of damaging your lashes if they are done incorrectly. Let me repeat that. Lash extensions can damage your lashes if they are done incorrectly. If and only if they are done incorrectly. Definitely make sure that you trust the person that is doing your lashes because it is a serious procedure. It can be done incorrectly, and they are done incorrectly. Unfortunately, there are a lot of stylists out there that don't really know what they're doing and they're still doing it anyway. Just make sure you trust your stylist and I don't know, be careful. Can I wear mascara? You can wear mascara. It needs to be an oil-free mascara, but you can wear mascara if you feel like you need it. That just is totally up to you. I like to get a really full set personally. It might look a little much without makeup, but I do that because I put on a full face every day. So I already know I'm going to be putting on a full face of makeup every day. Therefore, I know that I want my lashes to be very full so that you can see the lashes when I do put my makeup on. Let's talk about your lash growth cycle. So your lash growth cycle, it cycles out just like your hair does. So you might know that your hair goes through different phases. It can be a baby hair, it grows, comes a long piece of hair, and then it sheds. It has its shedding point. So your lashes do the same thing. There's babies, and there's mature lashes, and then there's grandpa lashes. They're really, really old lashes. So when you have your baby lashes, they're really, really small, and then when you have your adult lashes, those are the lashes that you're going to be putting extensions on. So they've kind of phase out. So after they go through their adult phase, they turn into grandparents, and then after that phase, they shed, and that is totally natural. I'm sure you've noticed a lash here or there on your cheek. You shed about 7 lashes a day. You're not noticing all those 7 lashes because they're very, very fine. They fall off, you don't even notice them. When there's an extension attached to your natural lash, that is when you notice it more. So that's why a lot of people think that the lash extension is damaging their lashes. The truth is, that is exactly how it's supposed to work. You have a lash extension on, and then once your natural lash goes through the natural lash cycle, it phases out, it sheds as it should, and your extension is attached to that natural lash. You notice it a lot more because there is a longer, darker, even thicker lash attached to your natural lash, so you're going to notice it a lot more, but that's exactly the process. That is what's supposed to happen. That is what you want to see when you do have lash extensions. Now, if you're seeing lash extensions falling onto your cheeks that aren't attached to a natural lash, that means they were done improperly and the glue isn't working or it's not sticking right and they're just falling off. In that case, that didn't really do anything to your natural lash. It didn't damage it per se. You didn't get your money's worth because your extensions are falling out too early. Well, I feel like we've covered a lot there. If you guys have any more questions about lash extensions, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll try to answer as much as I can. I might even do another video about lash extensions kind of in depth. Let me know if you want to see that. I can definitely do that for you. I'm really excited to be starting all March long. I'm doing free lash extensions. Yes, I said free lash extensions all March long. If you want to set up an appointment with me, I would love to see you. Try to get one early in March so I can get you in 2 weeks later for a free refill as well. The reason you need refills about every 2 to 3 weeks is because, like I said, you do shed about 7 lashes a day. So if you do the math, which I'm not going to do because I am really bad at math, but if you do the math, you're losing a lot of lashes after 2 to 3 weeks, so you're gonna need a refill. So that's just how that works. And if you keep up with your refills, you're never gonna need to sit there and do a full set ever again. If you just keep up with your refills, you're good to go. And Amazing Lash Studio has wonderful pricing on that. We have a membership program, so you can choose to do 1 refill a month or 2 refills a month, which I would recommend, and it is all for a very low price, so I definitely suggest doing that. But like I said, all March long, I'll be doing free lash extensions, so please get your appointment with me. I would love to see you. Okay, so let's get started with this tutorial. I am super nervous. Let me talk real quick about the products I'm using. I'm not using a lot. Kiehl's moisturizer, Professional primer, Born This Way foundation, a mixture of medium and the neutralizer in the Age Rewind concealers. I'll be using the Fit Me Poreless powder, Shade and Light palette. I'll be using the blush and the highlight out of this holiday palette from Tarte. This was a few years ago. Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. Brow Food Tinted Brow Gel, Smashbox X-Rated Mascara for my bottom lashes, Wander Beauty eyeliner in the color Nudist. This video started out to be a 5-minute routine, but you guys know me. I of course went over time, so this is a 7-minute makeup challenge routine thing. Enjoy! Cheers. Here we go. Say a prayer for me. I don't think I've ever done my makeup in 5 minutes, so ready? Set, go. You always want to make sure that you're moisturizing your face before applying any makeup. Makes a good base for everything that's going to go on, and make sure you won't get flaky. My gosh, we're already over a minute in. 3 minutes and 37 seconds left. I think I might have overestimated my time here. Oh my gosh, 2 minutes and 45 seconds left. All right, 5 minutes goes by a lot faster than I thought. Oh, 57 seconds. Four, 3, 2, 1, timer done. Alright, so clearly I couldn't make it in 5 minutes, but I'm going to add 2 more minutes and see if I can make it in 7. Go. Oh my god, 8 seconds, 8 seconds. Done. I am honestly in shock that I was able to do my makeup in 7 minutes. I can honestly say I've never done that in my life, ever. So, this is definitely not like a full coverage, full glam look. Obviously, it's a 7-minute makeup look. So this is the final look. I feel like the lashes help tremendously to make this look a little bit more glam, which is why you should get your lash sets. So yeah, I'm digging this 7-minute look. Next time I'm running late to work or decide to sleep in, I can do this look. Good to know I can do my makeup in 7 minutes. That's quite helpful. I guess I should try the makeup while driving. I don't know, that sounds dangerous. Let me know. Let me know what you want to see. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Come and get your lash extensions all month long. I will be doing free lash extensions, so come and get your extensions. Thanks, guys. Love ya. Thank you. See you soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little ring alarm notification so that you know when I post my videos, Tuesdays and Fridays. I'm trying to get back on schedule there. Thank you guys so much. See you next time.